Hey, what is the name of the automatic pistol?
Tito Bugger.
Machine gun.
What? Hell no, it's not machine gun, bro.
Oh, in English, in Kosraean, die krijg ik mooi.
Let's fight Lodi. 752, we are ready for a load.
Alright.
Marking cash.
Baby.
Hell of a job.
Now, where are you? Oh. Give me my money back.
We'll get your loadouts on the roof.
Whatever, then, bro.
Bro, what the
Why you throw it up? What the fuck? This guy played too
Merry
much, bro.
Christmas.
Where are you guys, man?
Here in the roof.
I'm right next to you, bro. Hi. Alright, you know what? I'm pissed off. I'm going to get 12 kills right now.
Kijk, zijn loadout op is
It's okay, that's the insurance. Hey, people here! Push, push, push! Yeah, no time for that shit.
They're under you, bro.
I know they're under me
So
too.
you got that side, look at the top.
There's 2 squads.
They're
Sure you want to go in there?
Ain't no way you just pull up and try to kill me. Ain't no way you just camping over there, you son of a gun. Damn, I just walked in and wipe, walk and wipe, walk and wipe. See, walk and wipe, walk and wipe.
Authorizing UAV
Contract
mission.
completed. Good work. Dropping into the AO.
Where do you think you're going?
Enemy UAV is online.
Thanks for the work. UAV overflight terminated.
I'm sorry, where are you going? I'm going nowhere.
Get your squad to the safe zone. Leave no one behind.
Hey, don't crack my gun, bro. Where's my gun?
Oh, he's right there by the wall, bro.
You thought you slick?
Enemy counter UAV inbound.
Yeah, I just want to confirm my kill, bro. Go on, they're pushing. Kill. Stay there. I need my guns, bro. I'm coming back.
We're returning you to the front. Earn this.
Watch the bunker. They're coming up. They're here. It's fucking here again. Yo, they're all over. Where you guys sandwiched?
Behind.
Oh, nice.
Stand by for redeployment.
Yo, we're going back, bro. Don't surrender.
Resume normal operations.
This motherfucker just wait here, bro.
Still operational in the AO.
You son of a
25
cunt.
still standing. We lost that.
Why'd you run away?
I love the this map, but the only fucked up part is you see that middle of the map, where those motherfuckers can just stay
Nah, they
there and
already
wait
know-
for
they
the
already know
people
where
to
to
spawn.
hide.
Like fuck, like what the fuck? Oh yeah, the only thing I hate that map about it is it's hard to land when you spawn, redeploy, bro. Because when you redeploy, motherfuckers looking at you like a bird. Where's KZ, bro?
Invite him.
This stuff already good. I think he have hella lack. Hey, Preston,
Yo,
do you do sniper? Like custom match?
like custom game?
Yeah, sniper only. I mean, throwing knife is available.
Yeah.
You wanna do that?
I mean, I've done it a couple times. I'm stuck at it, but yeah, fuck it.
Alright, wait, let's see if he didn't play no more.
It's okay, bro. I suck at it too, bro.
No, Eli, he good.
Yeah.
Fast. This guy
Nah.
fast, bro. Damn.
Put on rank.
I'm trying to invite these guys here. Let me try if it's ranked. It's gonna be good. No, I don't want to play battle royale right now, bro. I want to play researching though, or multiplayer. And
With their rebirth.
I want this guy to join us, so we can beat him. Alright, let's go. We're going to do that shit. Yeah, saan tayo Casey. This one. You want cereal? Here, come. Which one? Hey, you wanna go with Daddy to the store? Huh? It's cold. You want steak? You don't like go with Daddy?
Chứ bà rồi follow. Follow stuff for follow.
Hey, land spawn battle na. Let the we oxok, let the we spawn practice eh.
It's time die back.
Lena let the we na. Reclamello che immagina, non direct fires na game eh, hikyak che immagino mana dito. Umna barela. Dito. Dito. Mamaya na kun begi, nani ke main menu. Na ju home screen na siya flash na va. Sibe sang. Masin. Nani sibe sang. Dito. Mic check, kumusle. Dito long. What the fuck? I muted him or something? 장난.
Mal shame la.
Jälle kuitenkin mä taas spannaitu. Enkä mennä tuo isin angojen chapta minä tuo väl spann. Tito. Tito. Tito bro. Wanneer dat my dog. Trios. By last one. Final spawn, well spawn.
Altså det kunne om som ikke en ikke en fight.
Okay.
Mal shame la. Ay yine game be.
Ay, gan how you came back level. Rip my ben third chief bro. Langen, Dido. Dido Janjo, il davan join. Có cũng bắt join à. Tại mẹ lan il davan join có mata sin ala.
No ma jam tay way ke. Il shame na ke nga flow il shame.
Albangan.
Isal way.
All close application then invite. Mas be jaya wi apa Nigin na mena. Sekarang dia nak tarik lah, tarik ke mana awak person belong agal. Oy, sabi ba tagang let the Ariel close application na. Yep, Tito. Hey, kom
What
din ako.
happened, man?
Yan, mampatla mo. Batangan ko, me.
You guys left me hanging.
Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Maltari na pa eh. Maltari. Totoo lang. Pinal-sure kanina pa siya. Kahit ang wipay ako kinita. Ba, Rick-sure kanina to sure. Kanina na siya wala. Landback. Oh, alright. Alright. We're gonna pick you up. That's what I expected.
Freaking bunker.
The freaking bunker killed us too many damn times, bro. Let's go over there, bro. Fuck the rebirth. The rebirth is for sweaty motherfuckers, man. Those motherfuckers hungry in rebirth. You die like 20 times, motherfucker. Those motherfuckers on rebirth was like sliding all over the map. Fuck. Fuck that. We're gonna go
on a mission.
Yeah, we're gonna go later on, but not right now. Fuck that. Listen, move your food. Look, Charger touch it. You gotta eat it. You like that? Okay, good. What's up, YouTube? YouTube, see. Something wrong with my saving. I don't know. There's something wrong. It's been glitching since this morning. Oh, wala ni kid.
Resurgence. Stay alive to keep the squad in the fight. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your squad and go get after it.
Alright, bunker. We'll go down bunker, bro. Wait, where the fuck is... Yeah, there it is.
Waypoint marked.
Enemy SAM turret active.
Bunker, y'all. Is there people down there? No. Nobody on the bunker.
Sentry turret available.
I hear people here.
Enemy counter UAV inbound.
Hey, they're right there.
Eyes on
Hostiles
enemy.
have established a SAM turret.
Yes, right there. Oh shit, you fuck. Oh my god.
You're back on station. Go get after it. You have reinforcements inbound.
What the?
Time for vengeance. You're redeploying. All squad mates are in the safe zone. Gas is inbound. Hostile UAV in the area.
Thank you, bro.
因為唔知啊嘛，嗰個微燈。
Eyes on enemy. I'm hit.
After loadout. We can buy a loadout. Let's go for a loadie.
Redeployment time.
One is on top.
Enemy soldier incoming. Loadout drop headed your way. Still confirmed. We've located the rest of them.
Mark the enemy.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. UAV online.
Isa line, saka.
Palha. Olha. Pega daqui.
Destroyed. Use your tac map.
Nice. Hey, shit, another one.
Vem.
It's out, it's coming in. It's inside, it's
Yeah,
inside. Fucking guy pull up with a Molotov. It like this. Let's go.
Returning you to the front.
touch.
Earn this.
Eyes on enemy.
Your squad mate is
Going
redeploying.
for, I'm gonna, hey, wala here. There's too many motherfuckers. Hey, get down here. Good stuff. Good stuff here.
Squad in the safe zone. You've got gas moving in. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Enemy UAV overhead.
Okay.
Tito left. What the fuck?
A sniper behind you. Behind the bus. Sniper.
Hey, what the fuck?
Inbound. Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced.
Gusto na spot sila umdalan. Okay, go put it on the sink when you're done. Okay, drink it. Drink it and then you go put it on the sink.
About to end. Make it count.
Kayo nga guys. Miss the gig to go.
Enemy UAV is online. Your squad made it to the safe zone. You're losing ground. Moving. Hostile
Easy pa
UAV
push
in
yun.
the area.
Ow. Fuck these sniper.
Quick snipers.
Fire sale's over. Just in price.
Hey! You got to be fucking kidding me, bro. Fuck that. Oh man, it's so suck. Kasi may horizontal sensitive yung mga maging 4. Maging sensitivity 4.4.
Resurgence has closed. No more second chances.
Yeah.
Yung horizontal. Weng masitina.
Okay, may aiming.
Controlling. Or controlling vertical, horizontal.
Oh. Oh. Ay, acho que mais, né? 2.20 si bang amiga. 165 pang ako, like.
Sa pa kaya maging 4 tal na siya igam kuya. O paano nga pakyo?
Ay, ang quick scope si ba. Para yung gumanti na.
Oh, dahil na quick scope ka sa kanya. Stop you. Wala nang kiya, kaya ang na quick scope ka. 4. Sige. Plus. Love si ba namdangi? Walan. Tokyo le. Maluo. Yes, Team Luca. The team sa kufan na Team Luca.
Only 10 left.
Yes. Masallah lang niya.
Head to the safe zone. Gas is closing in.
point.
Three squads left in the war zone. Stay alert. Enemy UAV overhead.
He's just gonna. Hey, hold on.
A long way from your location.
It's brick, one shot. One shot, bro. Oh, he's still here. Oh, okay, 1v1. Eh, wala niya. Wala, natulog pa line. Wala. Yeah, sorry.
Take that victory.
7-3, yo, Spur. I'm hungry, but... Hold on, okay, fuck. Alright, let me bring my American soldier. Sorry, son. Es dito lang yung ninja. Es umuwi. Ay, bakit maluwi ko? Wala din like. Skilly party, Jalali. Oh, did have friends. Alright, fuck it. Let's go. There is. Ain't got no time for waiting. No time. Alright, this is it. This is the time you have been waiting for, Tom. Tom, where's your mic, bro? What's up? How you doing, bro? This guy. Look, you don't want to go with Daddy to the store? Look. You don't want to go to the store with Daddy? What's up, Dom?
I don't know nothing.
Man, you trucking,
I don't know
bro.
about this board.
You know what? Oh, somebody's not even joined. Oh, there he is. There he is. Dom, what's up, bro? Gee.
What's up, man?
I'm ready to get a win, man.
Enemy soldier incoming.
That, man, I'm scared when I'm using lower than
We are green to go.
4.00, bro. Cause I move so slow, I feel scared, bro. Tom, what do you use, bro? When your sensitivity on the vertical and horizontal.
It's all set at default. I don't fuck with it.
What?
Yeah.
Stop lying and don't want to share your setting or something, bro. Come on now. Damn.
Bro.
Alive and your team can redeploy.
Bunker, bunker.
Not the locker.
Going straight through the bunker.
Your team leader. Set a drop
I don't know nothing about this board.
Come on, bro.
I know we got a whole bunch of motherfuckers right here.
Supply box UAV heading your way. Main
Cover.
operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Come on.
Kill his ass.
Oh, you did? Or are you done? Oh shit! I need backup. Oh, there's two
I
coming
said
down.
the same thing.
There's three now. There's three.
It is quads.
Go get your revenge.
They're on the bottom of the map, y'all. Oh shit! You kill all of them, bro? Let me see. Let me see.
They tripped on my fucking landmine.
Oh no no no! Oh shit! I see that shit. Man, stop playing by a Lodi. Come on, all recruit. Spy a Lodi, please. Right here, buy station, right here. On top, money drop. I put my money on it. Oh shit, I just grabbed bands. There's a band over here, bro.
I need some more.
Alright, I got it.
Right.
Man, come on, stop.
Alright, I'm gonna buy UAV.
Alright, copy that.
And I'm gonna buy ammunition box.
I sure got you.
UAV up.
SATCOM, requesting recon overhead.
Oh, they crossed the map.
Yeah.
Y'all wanna take the vehicle and drive over there?
Spam turret active.
No, we ain't really trying to find
There's
out.
one by the next fire station.
One right next to us. Buy station, yep. Going in for it. Going in. Getting closer.
You're losing ground. Move it.
He did. One right here. Oh, he almost got me.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
On me.
Copy that on me.
On me.
Damn, you're far away. You serious? Risk? What the?
Man, he's taking all my shit. Kill that motherfucker.
Ow, fuck.
What the fuck?
Stand by for redeployment.
Hey, good.
5 attackers.
Intel on new target. Intercept
Wow.
and eliminate.
Oh, that is with that. Right behind you. You
Yeah.
got 2 push behind you, bro.
Damn, why are you guys
Two,
hiding
two.
in the Lodi, bro? Get the fuck out of here somewhere, bro.
Hey, 2 of them right there pushing.
Yo, they're circling that free Lodi. Don't go for it. Those motherfuckers circling. Try Tom. Tom, try go
Nah,
over there,
boy.
do the Lodi, bro.
I'm going.
Alright, come on now.
Ain't no trying to it. Oh, yeah. Over here. Go over deep. Go. You stupid. Yeah.
Yeah, you know I was lying, don't you, bro?
Man. It's a loadout and a buy station right there. They guarding that bitch, and they got a vehicle. One coming up behind you, Blue.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
Where the fuck is he? Man, I hear this motherfucker!
Yeah, he's right here.
Oh, you a bitch. What the fuck?
Loadout's clear. I'm taking it. I come back on loadout.
Fuck, bitch.
We're all over this place.
Come back to loadout. I see pink over here.
Hell no.
Pink.
Man, I'm fixing my damn setting right now.
Good
It's
loading.
gonna be damn good for sure.
Shit.
Hostiles have established a
Alright, I'm out. I went straight to the loading.
Yeah, I just killed somebody that tried to land on it. And they pushed on me.
Man,
They
this
took over.
motherfucker wouldn't let us get a loadie, bro.
Takes more than that to finish me.
You put me off my shit, nigga. Get the fuck out of here. You suck. Oh yeah. This much. Get the fuck out of here, bro.
Where they at?
No, una fonzi. They love the loadie, bro. The loadie fit them.
Get ready. You're redeploying.
Alright, you know what? Fuck that loadie, bro. I didn't buy my own shit.
What?
Enemy UAV is on.
I am
Oh
coming.
my god, and somebody's here is crazy.
Hey, we got enough for a loading.
Oh my god. Why these players wrecking rats today, bro?
Destination marked.
Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six.
Researching will be disabled soon.
You'll get another chance. Weapons free.
Help! Oh, fuck.
Sweetie Venice.
Gas is inbound.
They hiding in these building doorways and shit.
Damn, this fucking gun is that good. That look funny. Coming in right now.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
No, I didn't.
Go get your revenge.
Hey, one is right here.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Be advised, resurgence is no longer active. This is patrol.
Bird on, met bird on, darn.
Hey, one behind the cover.
Yes, break.
Done, soldier. They've got a SAM turret online. Okay, the field up there.
They just where somebody.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. Gas is closing in. Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, a whole team right here. This little house building. Damn.
Hostile UAV. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy UAV. Enemy dropping into the AO. Got an extra valuable opportunity here. Don't miss your shot. Hostile UAV in the area. 5 squads still operational on the AO. Be advised, you still have squad mates outside the safe zone.
Marking field upgrade.
Airstrike in the area.
Fuck. Alright, right by me loadout.
Whoa. One in there.
What the fuck?
Almost fucked.
In the Warzone, stay alert. Defeat is only a mindset. Shake it off and keep
Damn, I almost turned halt, bro.
You almost turned up.
Oof. Nah, do that shit, bro. Hey, you guys here? I should have just left. Oh, they all here. Are you guys here? Mic check. Alright, damn.
Yeah.
There's something still stuck on my shit. I can feel it. When I shoot that bitch doesn't go the way I want it to be.
Up and stand by.
Why can't we do Rebirth Island?
Next one. What, you missed it? You missed Rebirth already, bro? Chill, man. Dang.
Oh, what?
You missed Rebirth?
Yeah, man.
Dang. You gotta chill out, bro.
Green light. We're deploying to the Warzone.
Rebirth. You love Rebirth at 99? Area 99? You can play it next. Come on, man. Stop making excuse now, dog, bro. So you telling me. Yeah, I'm playing, bro. I know you're better. I know you better. I know you better.
I don't know all the little hiding spots and shit on here. You know what I mean?
Hell yeah. I mean, it's the same like a Rebirth, bro. The same shit already.
They got me.
Yeah, I know. I know they're gonna get you. But they ain't gonna run away from me.
I ain't get a kill off that.
Ain't gonna run away from me.
I didn't get a kill off that. The fuck up. Oh, somebody got me. You know what I'm saying, bro? Easy as fuck to get a shot. Shout out to Scout on the Sport. Somebody's chasing me. You know I ain't got a gun with his
Yeah, that's what I'm saying about this map. It's easy to get shot in the sky. That's the only negative shit on it.
Hey, look, he hawked me down, knew where I was at.
He can hear you, bro. By you running around, bro.
I wasn't even moving.
Huh? Okay. You just give. What the fuck? I thought he's a man, bro. Yeah.
No, yeah, she thought he was getting it. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Wait, one shot. What the freak? Oh, we need a lock till we go, yeah. Not bad. Yeah. That freaking dude, Zero, bro. He fucked me up. Well, that's it.
Tá, ele mata a coxa. Chama de outra vez.
Copy. Oh, chuck, man.
Break.
Give it here, man. Give it.
Good pressure, hey, look. What the fuck?
Yes, one lad.
Oh, he came through that motherfucking cubby.
Hey,
niente dalla gang. It's not done, yeah.
Man, it went down in that little room.
Yeah, I just saw. No, it's just. What the fuck? Never seen that mosquito, bro. Damn, you tried to kill me again, bro? You suck.
Right though.
The gas is fast as fuck, boy.
Where you trying to run to? What the fuck? I thought you couldn't go anywhere. What the fuck is this? Stupid ass shit. Now he saw me swimming in the water like. Oh.
God damn. This is just sneaky as fuck.
Yep. Damn, what the fuck? I just spawned, motherfucker. This motherfucker. Alright, this is our last match.
Man. I did what you did. I went in that water and started dying. Ain't no goddamn water. It's toxic spill.
It's a desert. If you go to the desert, it's easy to get killed, bro. That freaking desert walking ass. You just got blurred out. So that's the loadout right there? Oh shit, I thought there's a loadie there. Somebody's shooting at me, which I do not know where he's shooting at. People on right, people on right.
Come on, you're gonna.
Loady, loady, loady. I need help. Fuck. Tom, shoot, bro. Ah, what the fuck? Another one, another one, another one. Beat me up, beat me up. What the hell? Almost. Hey, another full squad coming up right now. Hey, watch out! They're on the Lodi where you throw the Lodi at. They're right there on the buy station up front. Yep, there they are. I'm telling you, y'all. They're coming in hot. Is that a bag of money? Yeah, it's a bag of money, bro. Fire sale. That means I can buy a fucking Lodi. Yeah, I got a Lodi here.
They up here sniping.
I just threw the Lodi in front so we can go and use.
Where's the buy station? I'm gonna call it airstrike when they ask.
Right here.
Where's the buy station?
Right there behind the gas. He's on the gas. He's on the gas. I got one. There you go. I throw it in them. I'm getting pushed right now.
Jumping. Stay in here.
Stay together, stay together. Cover him, cover him. Watch out for the other people, bro.
Wait,
What these motherfuckers?
Three squads left in the Warzone. Stay alert.
Watch out.
Clear the squads to the safe zone. Leave no one behind.
Get it na nga yang. Get it na. One down. Fuck.
I'm down too. I'm down, but the person was shooting us behind me.
Love the boy. Show the boys one run.
Shit.
Do music.
Shit.
Get him a drink.
Yeah, go on the gas.
Get him a drink, please.
Oh yeah, go on the gas. Go on the gas and buy us on the gas one. Oh fuck, it's too late. It's okay. You get.
Timmy, can you please get it?
That's a
Oh, she's in
suicide.
the bathroom? Alright.
Somebody just fought somebody. Ooh, the whole squad came back. Watch out, watch out. Huh? You stuck? Devin. Another one. Buy me two. Buy me two. Buy me.
Who said buy me?
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit, they up top.
What the fuck? Come, bro.
Bro, as soon as I went, trying to wait for y'all, it took me out. They're right there. I was the bait.
Oh, you thought you were gonna kill him? Yeah. You a bitch, bro. Oh, just wait for me.
Trace behind you, Green.
Yeah, we got some good numbers, bro. I ain't gonna lie. We were fighting.
Almost, baby.
Almost time.
Coming first. Let's go to rebirth. I probably got one more in me. I gotta get ready for work.
Hey, what is that? What is that? Oh, you gonna work? Fuck, what time right now, bro? I've been playing since. Man, you got a couple hours, man.
Oh.
Come on, bro.
You need to get some sleep, motherfucker.
Damn, you never sleep?
You don't.
No, yeah, I never sleep. I'm good. I stay up till 6 p.m. and then I sleep. 3 hours.
And that's what you always talking about. I'm tired.
Man, chill, bro. Mike left. Hey, Mike come to work at 10 a.m. and Mike leave at 10:30.
When last night?
Motherfucker leave real quick. I was like, yo, what's up? No, but I heard a really sad story, you know? Wife's sick, so you gotta leave. If you lie, that's a bitch ass move, bro. Like if you say your wife is sick like a motherfucker, and she's choked up and all that shit, just to leave. Then lie, that's gonna be a sad motherfucker. But if it's real, I'm really feel sorry for him. Cause it was like, oh yeah, we gotta work it out. We gotta work together and work it out. And then all of a sudden, motherfucker disappeared, bro. I was like, yo, where the fuck is Mike?
Yeah, I left work early too yesterday.
Me too. No,
Huh?
you ain't leaving early. I see you yesterday when you left.
You didn't see me, motherfucker. I left at 6.
Motherfucker, I see you.
Whatever.
Man, I see you, bro. Oh, you wasn't working yesterday? No, I think I saw you, bro. No, 100% sure. Hey, bring it to your room, charge. Sandel, get up. No, over there. It's 30. Go over there. Bring it to your room. Get no more charge. Go, it's ready. Look, no charge. It's good.
I can't hear you. It sounds really.
You can bring it to the bed.
The connection is bad. Like it's kind of missing out.
Oh,
Or like
okay.
there's something
Wait.
muffled on the speaker.
Let me make it move. Yeah?
Oh, maybe it's him.
Alright, y'all, let's do it.
Let's go.
Where
Hey.
Alright.
Where we going?
Down here. Just the bottom. Damn, I swear I can hear you pressing your button, bro. Damn. You really want to kill him bad. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the stream. Yeah, this is Tom. He's a beast. He's the team leader. He this is his team, bro. We just, you know, follow his command. You laughing, Tom, bro? I'm talking to the chat, bro. Chirping, bro. Yo, you thought you were gonna kill all of them? You tripping, bro. Why you come all the way here for? And then start running back, huh? Hey, he's here! Right here! You're running down, bro.
God damn, somebody's behind me. I want them all dead.
Damn.
That fucker
We lost
came
that
from
one.
nowhere.
We lost that one.
Top 10, top 10.
We lost that one.
Are you sure? Hey.
Right back, man. Hey, my friend, calm down. Forget y'all. They do shit. Y'all did fine. Oh shit.
We got Snake and you still happy about it, bro. We still there.
Hey. We just got killed by a 10-year-old, bro. Oh man. Sounded like he was 10, bro. He just fucked us up.
Sorry guys, my lobby is too sweaty. You guys need to take care of the oats, man.
Who left? I don't know, man. Your lobby's too wet.
Sweat.
Look, you got that T-Mobile internet.
Look at how thick them flakes is.
So we probably playing with a bunch of 10-year-olds with Nintendo Switches. Fucking us up.
64 looking ass. That cassette, when you play the 64, you keep blowing that motherfucking cassette.
What?
The cassette, the little fucking thing for the 64.
When nobody talking about blowing nothing though. Like, see what you? I don't know what happened.
What the fuck? Just because of the blow, you don't want to talk about that shit? What the fuck, bro?
Yeah, well, I mean, it's not that. You just brought it up out of nowhere. You weren't talking about blowing.
You don't even want to. You don't even want to mention blowing.
He said, "You remember when we used to blow the cassettes?" Like, well, that's something. That's something that's men we don't talk about.
Fuck, I'm way too
I don't know what
high
you're talking
laughing,
about.
man.
I had
What's up,
Dreamcast.
YouTube? I'm sorry, I gotta check your comments later on. Because I'm talking to the team leader right now. He owned this. What the fuck? He owned this squad, bro. This is his squad.
Oh, shit. Let's get money. Right here.
Alright, stronghold. Fuck. Oh, alright.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Nah.
Control.
Nah. We get money. We get money.
We're gonna get it. And
Get money.
kills. Money
Get
and
money and
kills,
bodies.
bro. Body after body, bro. Eh! Imagine you. Come on, bro.
Oh. I just got fucked up by the Migos.
No, we ain't gonna be fucked up. I'm still here, bro.
Just got fucked up by Migos.
Oh, fuck.
Want him dead.
Fucking 21 Savage looking ass. It's a fucking tryhard. He's trying to kill me so much.
We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Hey, Lodi. Oh, never mind. That's a lie. It's a lie.
Additional target added.
Yes, Kalofskan Rokos, Comfort for. What? Error on me. You motherfuckers, you fucking bunch of losers. Fuck you, fucking loser.
Run into my trap, bitch. Run into my trap on my make you suck this dick, nigga. I'ma fuck your she gonna suck this dick.
Are you sure? Fucking suck ass bitch. Yo, Dio, I need to talk shit. Yo, I killed that guy, bro. Dumb. Dumb, you see that dude, bro? I killed that motherfucker who talk shit. Oh shit.
Hva er det du med?
Nói chứ rồi kìa. Ai nập gì nhá? Ý sao cao con là với cái sinh kìa rồi. Cái cái là đi phượt. Wallah là mồi, wallah. Damn, bro. You're a killer.
Somebody kill CP, please.
Oh shit, somebody's right there. Watch out. Oh, he gone back, he's stalking again.
I'm pushing on CP.
Chill out, bro, you just got
I'm right
killed.
behind him, closing there. I'm right behind him, closing there.
Louisiana? Alright. Hey, why you come back, bro? One is under the water. He's stupid! Louisiana! He said Louisiana. Yeah, I never get my load, dude. That's sad.
Behind us, behind us.
Alright, copy that. Well, hello, motherfucker. Oh, where the fuck is? Did that guy laugh?
And there's this guy coming down to you, blue.
Copy that. That's the guy I'm looking for. Yeah! Fucking doppelbanger, motherfucker. Go put fence. Go put your fence. Hurry. Go. What do you want, Izan? What do you want? Louder, I didn't hear you. What? Oh, you sound like me? Oh, sorry. Sorry, son. I don't want to do that.
UAV is online. Enemy SAM turret active. Resurgence is about to end. Make it count. Enemy UAV overhead.
Please get the fuck up. What the fuck is this? It's fuck! Oh, this motherfucker, dude. Fuck you, bro. Stupid ass car 98, bro.
Right here, get him.
Hey, watch out, Purple. They're gonna kill you, bro. They're right there on you.
Yeah.
Alright, let me see the comments, cause there's too many. Oh, Mr. Pop. Alright, no choke. I'm going to shoot snipe, y'all. Wait.
Yeah, right here.
These motherfuckers just stand there and shoot like, let me spawn up there. Fuck them.
Alright.
You ain't gonna stream snipe me, bro. You can do whatever the hell you trying to do, bro. Talking about stream snipe, bro. You ain't gonna do shit. It's alright, bro. Oh, you wanna reply again, bro? You ain't gonna do shit. Give me Shandel.
You're being tracked by an enemy squad. Save and survive.
Hey, behind us.
Yeah, one lad. Oh, fuck. Damn it.
Yeah.
Damn. I think I tied too much. My head hurt. Starting to get hurt, bro. Oh. Damn, see the differences on 99 and fucking Reaper? You can only get 3 or 4. Fucking 99, you get like almost 10 every match. This fucking Reaper is woo. Man, they should ban BC in public, only allow it on tournaments, bro. The fuck is that?
P, man. Sorry for the loss and all that.
Mañana tampoco voy a trabajar,
You said in January.
What the hell are you guys talking about? All people talking. Damn. Bunch of fucking Maku. Damn, it's cold like a motherfucker. right there. Nope, I'm gonna stop me for free fun. It's fucking shit. Lucky bastard. No, it's alright, it's alright. Oh shit. William on left. Hey, why you didn't talk? Tom, one of our teammates left, bro.
I didn't know.
Damn, you don't know.
This is gonna be my last one. I gotta get ready for work.
Yep.
Do we got
It's
enough?
time for me to
We ain't got
play
enough for
solo.
loading yet.
Or duos if you wanna play. The other dude. It's time for me to do something on solo. SSLO. I don't wanna know.
We're getting off for loading now.
Just want to hold this out. Gotta do solo. I think this okay. Yep. Just stay there.
Enemy UAV overhead. Zero threatening UAV mission. You have reinforcements inbound.
You steady phone, what happened? See? Ready. Hey, are we? Oh shit. We bought our loadout already. See? Damn!
Imagine using a helicopter.
Oh, I'm pissed off, bro. That's a little kid you run over, bro.
And you so fucking garbage, sitting there camping in the fucking corner with an airstrike.
Ah!
How'd you die?
I jump out and somebody just... I kill somebody and somebody killed me. Oh, the way you gotta press the settings so crazy.
You gotta make this a good one.
Yep.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Hostile UAV in the area. Your squad made it to the safe
Right in there with you. In there with you. You got one tracer you pink up top.
Good shit.
Y'all get both of them.
Yeah. One just landed. I don't know
Yeah,
if it's
right
us or no.
You've got time for another bounty. Get it done. Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted.
Too bad I Claremont.
One just landed.
Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close. All bounty targets are KIA. Well done. Mates are in the safe zone. Gas is closing in. Get behind the zone. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Yes, you fucking beast. What the fuck? Oh my god, I swear he faked me. Damn. That's bad.
You're redeploying. Contract failed. Objective lost.
Motherfucker was sneaking up on me.
There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to cover it. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Perfect timing.
Yes, man.
Somebody buy people too.
God damn it. Like, they're on top of the tower. Gotta be.
Whoo! Damn. Yes.
The fuck?
What the hell? Tom.
I don't know what's happened.
Alright, Joe.
Alright, bro, I gotta get off here.
Alright. Shoot. Nice game.